Back at the car, finally, guys. Got everything wrapped, got the spoiler wrapped, everything. It's absolutely insane. The bumper, the hood, it looks so freaking good. I know you guys haven't seen it in a while. There's been a lot going on in my life, but today is gonna be a sick day. I finally finished up the livery, so as you guys saw in our last video, we kind of started working on the livery, seeing like what we kind of want to be at, what it's gonna look like, and this is what I kind of came up with. So I kind of came up with something like this. This is actually to scale of a 300zx, the 2+2 model. So I took measurements of my car from the front bumper to the rear bumper, and then I also took measurements from the ground to the top of the T-top. I put those measurements into my silhouette program, and basically I just enlarged this size of a Z32 vector that I found on Google. And then I just started plugging and playing and putting different stuff on, and this is what I came up with right now. All I have to do is click on one of these pieces, copy it, make a new tab, put it down, and then be able to print it off the rip. So that's what I did, is I was able to print this right here. So this piece here is the same piece that's going right here. So if I click on that, right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually apply it here. So again, I'm gonna have to go over the car with some glass cleaner, because that's how you clean the vinyl. And then I'm just gonna apply it right here, and we're gonna just start plugging and playing. I got mostly everything printed out. Later tonight, I'm gonna be printing out just the last two lines, is this one and this one. And then this guy here too. So I have 3 more to go. And then after that, I'll be able to, like, I have everything else done. I have the stars done. I have everything. The thing that's kind of tough about silhouette is that you can't change the color of the car, and I think you can change the color of the actual like sequence parts, but I didn't really want to mess with it because I didn't want to mess up all this hard work that I've done. It's been a while that I've been working on that. This is just like a phase 1 thing. So like I said, I have different color sequences and everything that I want to try to do on the car, but I'm laying down the first white pieces because that's like the main thing that I'm doing on the car. So the process has begun. It already looks sick. I can't wait for this whole car to be done. It's such like a sick project. I'm super pumped about it. So there's the first piece done. So now I'm just gonna start working on the other pieces. Like I said, just following our to scale model here. Alrighty guys, so I started laying the first 2 pieces down. As you guys saw, I just got to cut off this like extra trim later on. But basically now I'm working on this part right here. So I got these 2 pieces here. I'm gonna start laying them down and start just working down the car. So gonna be crazy. I got the lines done of how I wanted them. So now I got a little bit of accents to do. We're gonna throw up the accents on this side, and then this side will be done. I do have a couple ideas for the hood or whatever, but for right now, we gotta throw the accents on, and then from there, we're gonna see exactly how it turns out, but it looks so sick. All right, guys, so day 2, working on the livery now. I finished the passenger side yesterday, so super pumped about it. It came out amazing. So sick. But I was so fortunate last night after we finished that I noticed someone posted something up on like a Facebook marketplace kind of thing, or within the forum, and his name's Danny, and he had a third brake light. I've been looking for a third brake light for this thing ever since Edwin hooked me up like way back in the day. At the time, I actually sold Edwin my old one off the Black Z, and then he gave me his old broken one just because. So I was like, oh, okay, that's cool, man. So I was rocking that for a few years, and I was like, you know what, like the car's looking great. I was like, I gotta get a new third brake light. So I've been looking for a couple months, and randomly last night after I finished the passenger side, boom, Danny posted a third brake light, and I installed that thing last night. I probably should have gave you guys like a little how-to on how to do it, but it's super easy, super simple. But I would say you definitely need 2 people to do it, because you don't want these things to break. You don't want them to break. You don't want them to crack, and they're so hard. But this one's bolted in. It's staying there forever, never coming out. So, but thanks, Danny, for the hookup, man. I'm so pumped. Like that's honestly the finishing touch on the car. Like it's insane. It's insane how far this car has come. But with that being said, we're gonna start working on the driver's side now. Finish this livery up and get some freaking shots of this. A little bit of knifeless tape action going on here. It's always fun. We are getting there, boys and girls. Almost done. Almost done. I got basically, yeah, one more piece. Well, two more pieces. A large piece here, and then a little piece there that goes with that. And then we got to do the stars on this side, and we're freaking done. Livery done for the drift car. So pretty crazy. It's been a to-do, but it's been cool, man. I've been learning a lot about things, so it's pretty wild. Okay, guys. So finished the driver's side finally. So now I got Amanda out here. Amanda's my star girl. Basically what she does, she goes around and puts these bad boys on. I can't do it just to the fact that I think in a uniform fashion. Everything is in uniform. Everything is like systematically put. The issue is when Jesse was talking with me, Jesse's like, on your design, dude, your stars are sick, but they're too like systematic. They look like two in a line and stuff, and I tried 30 different times of trying to like randomize them, and I can't, but Amanda's about to do it, so let's see what she does. Fire. See guys, I can't do this. This whole situation, can't do it. There'll be too uniform and I'll be all effed up. Knees cracking out here, fam. Yeah, we also have some ghetto side skirt holders because I was too lazy to zip tying them in right now. So we got a bottle of Malibu and we got a Gatorade bottle. Yeah. It's real. The final one. And then the livery is done. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it.
Get it unpeeled. There it goes.
Whoa. 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 Oh. Oh. Yeah. Big ballin'. Amanda, you rock.
Thank you.
Oh my god. She's done, guys. She's freaking done. I was thinking, I don't know if I should put some stars up here. I don't know yet. We're gonna ride it out for right now. But big ballin'. That third brake light. Thank you, Danny. Again. Oh my god. This is so sick. She's done. She's done. I was thinking of doing something on here too, but I don't have an idea for it right now. I have to obviously get like a scale model of this actual type of hood and then work with that again. So that's going to be a whole nother project. But as of right now, the car's done. All I got to do is bolt up the side skirts, put the front bumper on, and this turd is ready to run. So I'm super pumped. She's finally done. Aesthetically, the only thing that I can think of right now is like working on like the T-top trim pieces and the windshield trim pieces and the passenger side cowl. But honestly, man, it's a drift car. It looks good right now, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. This thing has come a long way. So from what you guys have seen from day one of the channel to now, it's been crazy. 3-4 years of just battling and making this thing sick. So I can't wait to get the bumper finally bolted up on and with the nose panel, and it's gonna look amazing, guys. But yeah, guys, it's just crazy. I just put the nose panel on, and how the LEDs are lighting this thing up, and seeing it in the daytime is just insane. But it's just crazy that like Julian came out, developed something similar to this, basically like literally almost the same exact thing, and then how I was able to print it out on silhouette and then just kind of work with it, you know what I mean? And it was crazy. It came out sick. It came out sick. So this is version 1 though. You never know what we're gonna do next. You know what I mean? I might rip all this off, put something else on. We never know. But this off season's been pretty well. Our first event coming up, the one that I'm going to be going to, is April 11th with Gig Motorsports. So I'm super pumped for that. So we got basically about a month to get everything done. So the next upcoming videos I'm going to be doing is actually taking off the plenum, resealing the valve covers, and doing some injector O-rings and just like little maintenance stuff. So I'm going to show you guys a how-to on exactly how to do all that. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. But if you guys haven't already, click this button right here, subscribe to our channel, and if you guys want to see any drifting videos, I got some put up right here for you. So in the meantime, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.